Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today we're going to talk about the shower stall, especially the grout joints here. And as you can see in the back, that waterfall effect, and the floor itself, that's made of marble. And marble is a very porous type material that every 6 months it needs to be treated with a waterproofing sealer that needs to go on there. Even though a lot of people think that grout is waterproof, it's not. It needs to be sealed on a regular basis. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come in and you want to clean off any kind of soap or anything that's on the back part of the wall, on the tile, grout joints or anything. Clean that off. Let it dry thoroughly for a couple of days so that everything is bone dry. And then you would take a sealer, and basically this sealer is just one that I happen to be using. This comes recommended by the company that we actually purchased the tile from. So that's why we're using this one here. Not that I'm pushing this one, but that's the one I'm using. When you read the back of it, it tells you first to make sure that the whole thing is clean, and then it tells you to apply it with either a foam type brush, or you can use a regular paintbrush such as this. I am going to use a brush like this for the back wall and the floor because that's a much thicker, much more area that I have to cover. And I'm going to use this type of brush here to get the small tile joints. Once you put this sealer on there, you just leave it sit on there for about 5 minutes. And then once you leave it sit for 5 minutes, you come in with a clean rag and you wipe off any of the sealer that's on the tile itself. It'll take off just the excess, and the sealer will actually penetrate into the grout and into the marble itself and seal it. So enough talking, let's get in there and let's get started. Okay, so that's it. Now this does require 2 coats. It's better to put on 2 thin coats than 1 heavy coat because it only soaks in so far. So now after this all dries off, then we're going to go back, we're going to do a 2nd coat. We'll wipe it down, and then we'll let it sit for whatever it says on the packaging. I think it was like 24 hours, 24 to 48 hours to dry before you use the shower again. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.